What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit of time since I've seen everybody, but here I am again. We're back over here on a construction project, and check this out right back here. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of this deck back here. I don't want to show you too much because I'm going to make a video outlining this deck that I built for my neighbors that is just ridiculous looking. In my opinion, it's ridiculous looking. Video will be probably like how to build a fiber on deck like a pro maybe. But anyways, let's jump to the job at hand, and I am going to extend a gutter drain out past the fence because we're about to put a new landscaping bed in right here beside their new aluminum fence. So check this out. Here's their old gutter drain that's been piped in, going right down through here, and it sunk just a little bit just because of some soft dirt here. So I'm going to fix that up right nice for them, and we are digging the trench on out through here, and we're going to extend it about 35 foot out through here and right off of this back hill. We're going to use this pipe right here, and we're going to use this drain, which will be flush with the top of the ground, just like some drains I have over here in my own yard. All right, so I've gotten the first section of the trench ready, and we've come into one little problem here. We've got an angle over here that's a little bit less than a 22.5. So we're gonna use a heat gun or a hair dryer, and we're gonna attempt to heat this pipe up right here and just slightly bend it, which it's a thin wall drain pipe, so it should happen. We've just removed enough sod. I shouldn't even say we, because I don't even have a worker anymore. It's just me. So I have removed all of this. You can see how deep this hole, at least 12 inches deep. Came all the way down here, removed the pop-up drain, and now we're gonna attempt to tie this pipe onto that one. And we've got to do it quick because look off in the sky. Okay guys, I'm back here. Yesterday was a wash. Some serious rain clouds came over and we had to stop the job. So now I'm about to get out my heat gun, left off where we were yesterday, heat this pipe up, get it bent, get the coupling over it. So stay tuned because here it comes. We're about to get this thing working. All right, I want y'all to check this out. Yes, it did collapse the pipe in a little bit, but I don't foresee that being a problem. And we got that perfect bend going on there all the way down through here. And now we're going to be able to straight pipe it like a diesel exhaust straight out under that fence over there and let it come out on that hill and shoot that water out. So now I'm going to take some of this dirt and fill in all around here and then put this sod back in there, and I'll get back on the camera and show y'all some more clips of what the finished product looks like and how I'm gonna put the drain in the end. We are at the final stages of this drain install. I've got all the pipe in. I've cut another piece for the end down there. I had to use just a portion of the fourth piece to put that drain on to get it down the hill right. So let's walk around there and I'll show you how I've got it sit down in the ground. So here we are. We just used our oscillating tool to cut the end off, and it is right under here. Let me get out of Shadow's way. So we came under the fence right there. Right up there is our last connection, and I've got some dirt stiffly packed in right there. Right here, we packed the dirt under this super tight. You could also use a foundation of gravel, but this was undisturbed soil under here, and we just scraped it out. Now this is going to be just on a slight angle, but this Bermuda grass right here will actually cover it. I can show you over there in my backyard where it will actually cover over it, and you can just weed eat around it or whatnot. But I'm going to put all this sod back in here, run over it with the lawnmower to pack it down, and everything should be perfect. It'll probably stick up maybe 1/2 inch to 1 inch. And then as it rains, it can settle down just a little bit more because we don't want a gap down through here. Right there's the grate. Right up through here goes the sod. I've got this thing right down below ground level so that when he mows, that will not be a problem. And we will have to pack this down just a little bit. Here's the rest of the finished line right up through there. All the sod is in perfect condition. And right here is where I was talking about earlier. We're gonna have to cut a little bit of sod out from our landscape bed that we're making and fill in that hole, and that's where the old drain was. That's all I got for you guys today on the drainage video. Make sure you keep tuned into the channel so that you can see my next video project, which is going to be making this landscape bed for a screen right along this fence in the same backyard that we did the gutter drain in. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment please, and I will see you in the next video.